Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again on Lala TV. I probably should take my gum out because I feel like I'm gonna chew really loud and I hate when people chew so loud. But, so this video is gonna be different types of girls at class. I was definitely not the cool kid in high school. I was definitely the kid who was like left in the back, reading a book, being a nerd. That's me. And I'm proud of it. I just sit back and observe. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn your notifications on because whenever I post, you should be the first one to see it. Let's get started. Oh my gosh. Why is it so hot in here? Oh, that's probably just me.
What?
Do you guys want to take a picture with me? Actually, wait, no. My Instagram followers don't like you. Noah, come take a selfie, please. Okay, ready? Selfie. Say, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. No, I'm beautiful, not you're beautiful. Say you're beautiful. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. You're beautiful. Wait, no, I'm beautiful, not you. Oh my God. We had homework. My dog ate it. Actually, no, I'm joking. My cat ate it. Material girl. Oh my God. Jay texted me. He wants to go to prom. I don't even like him. He's so ugly. Did I break my phone? It's okay. My daddy will buy it for me. Not my sugar daddy, my actual daddy, you idiot. Is my hair real? Are your hands real? Thank you very much. You just proved my point. Go lick a tree. No. Sure.
A few moments later.
Is this too loud? I can go louder. No. I'm asleep. Am I supposed to walk there? No. I don't want to take the test. Can I go home? This is so annoying. You shut up, you're so freaking annoying. What's your name? No one cares.
Oh, hell no!
'Cause now I'm in New York. 'Cause now I'm in Alabama.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hi guys. Do you guys like my hair? Oh my God. I know the answer. I know the answer. I know the answer. I know the I know the answer. It's crocodile.
No! God, please, no!
That's not the answer! Oh my God, I'm so stupid! I'm so stupid! I'm okay. Material girl! Did you just say a bad word? Did you just say stupid? Did I just say stupid? Oh my God! Teacher! I'm telling. Teacher. Katie just said, can I go to the bathroom?
Hi. Okay.
You owe me one. You owe me one. You owe me one. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back. Dab. Dab. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back. What up, baby? Take me out to dinner. Hi, class. I'm so quirky. Guys, guess what? My mom is in the hospital. I'm joking. Guys, guess what I'm wearing? Guess what I'm wearing? My PJ. Ooh, material girl. We had homework. Why did no one tell me? Joshua, I love your hat. It's so pretty. Can I see it? Got your hat. I don't have your hat. what's 1 plus 1? 2? I thought it was George Washington.
I'm gonna make you lose my mind.
I know the answer, Dance party! We're taking a test? Why did no one tell me? You guys are so stupid. Who wants to go to the bathroom with me? By myself? I'm gonna get kidnapped by the toilet. Oh my god, I'm so late. I'm 23 hours and 55 minutes early to class. I'm not gonna have enough time to unpack my bag.
What?
During phase 1, each pair of
2,000 years later.
Shh! I'm reading a really important detail. It's about centromeres.
What the fuck?
I know the answer. It's 55,235.
Nice.
The answer is nuclear envelope pieces that divide and they neutralize into the walls. I have a question. How does the invisibility of a certain someone like Pro Phase 1 is a little more complicated than the threesome that people do? Oh, that makes sense. This makes no sense. How do the chromatids move when someone is dead? Oh, I just answered my own question. I know this, never mind. You want me to go party? Me party? You mean study? I'll go study in the party, but I'm not gonna party in the party. Party in the party or study in the party? No, study in the party. Actually, no, study in my study room. I need to read. I need to read. That's it. That's the end of the video. I love you guys. Bye.